Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? Coming to you from the sauna in the bunker. We've got August 20th. That'd make it Friday. 127 degrees. I just did a video on a Litecoin trade. Video number 1 below. And this video is going to be on XRP. And I was going to do this video yesterday. I wanted to do it. And I'm like, no, people are going to... Not that I pay that much attention to the comments, but every once in a while, I'll be honest, I get a comment that kind of rubs me the wrong way. Not hurts my feelings, but I'm like, man, how could you say that about me? Anyhow, so all eyes on XRP. All eyes on XRP starting now. Oh, Crypto Mentor 99, you're an old man. Why don't you go upstairs and take a nap? Well, I may take a nap today. But all hands on deck. All hands on deck. XRP, watch it, watch it, watch it. And for those of you that don't know, I'm like 85, 90%. Maybe 93% in XRP. I don't goof around when I do XRP videos. Stay tuned. You will be rewarded. I promise. I can't guarantee it because I don't know if you're trading or if you're a hodler, investor, whatever. You will be rewarded. And that is all. Love y'all. Bye-bye.